In this quick video, we're going to show you how to correctly install the ear defenders inside the Z-Link. These earmuffs will add an NRR rating of 25 to the Z-Link respirator without reducing the assigned protection factor of 1000. So for this illustration, I do have one of the brackets that installs inside so that I can make this more clear for you. So on the bracket on the inside, you've got a tab at the top and then two clips either side that wire loop is going to hook over. So you're going to take your earmuff and you're going to hook it over the top of the tab at the top and then allow it, and it's easiest if you slide the earmuff right down the two wire slides. Then you're going to hook that into place behind the two clips on the sides. That'll then allow that earmuff to move within that clip. To remove that, you then squeeze the wire together and unclip it from that clip. We're then going to slide the earmuff right down, fully extended. That way it gives us leverage to squeeze that circle together to get it to clip in right. We're then going to hook the circle over the top of the tab on that pivot point assembly. With that earmuff now hooked over the tab, we can then clip it into position, ensuring that it doesn't come released from the tab at the top. You can then repeat it with the opposite side, again by hooking the circle over the tab at the top and then clipping it into the two clips. And that is how to install the earmuffs inside your Z-Link respirator.